Hello everyone, Aman here, your old friend, the technical manager of Jimi&Concox. Today, I will introduce a new product of the Jimi driving recorder series, the 4G 5 camera vehicle driving recorder JC450 Pro. This 4G 5 camera car driving recorder is specially designed for commercial operation vehicles. The traditional ministry standard MDVR products have many parts and wiring harnesses, complicated connections, time-consuming and labor-intensive installation, and difficult maintenance. Jimi JC450 Pro solves the interference of GPS, 4G, Wi-Fi, antenna and cameras very well. Structurally, the fully integrated product from design has obvious advantages for transportation, storage, installation and after sales. Functionally, by judging driver behavior and integrating visual AI algorithm technology, it can predict dangerous behavior of vehicles and supplement them with corrections, thereby reducing accidents, realizing digital management of enterprises, fleets and improving operational efficiency. JC450 can support 5 cameras which can be flexibly configured according to different installation, vehicles and application scenarios to realize all-around monitoring of front and rear, left and right, inside and outside the car and assist in the definition of responsibility in the event of an accident. Among them, the wide-angle USB camera on the side of the recorder can reach 135 degrees, which can easily and unobstructed to obtain the dynamic picture of the entire car. The ADAS Advanced Intelligent Driving Assistance function of the front camera on the main unit can be detected the driver's driving behavior in real time, analyze it in time and provide voice prompts for abnormal driving behavior so that the driver can be aware of potential dangers in advance and correct their mistakes, thereby reducing the risk of accidents. At the same time, these erroneous behavior will be recorded as alarm events and video files will be kept notifying the management platform through the 4G network for the first time. Compared with private cars, commercial transport trucks basically need to travel long distance to reach their destinations and some even take dozens of hours. Fatigue from continuous driving can cause drivers to lose concentration and doze off. So traffic accidents are very likely to occur under this condition and the fatigue status of these situations can be captured by the DMS fatigue driving warning system. This DMS fatigue driving warning system analyzes and infers the driver's fatigue status by collecting the driver's facial features, eye signals and head movement features in real time so that the driver can be warned in time when the driver is fatigued. Other dangerous behaviors such as making phone calls, smoking, distraction and other behavior that are determined to driving safety will also be warned in real time and the actions will be recorded, saved and uploaded to the cloud to provide sufficient evidence for fleet management. This is format. The .ts format is used for storage in video file storage. Compared with the ordinary MP4 format, it can be recorded and stored immediately, not afraid of losing important moments due to power failure. At the same time, the 512 GB storage space can save 5 into 24 hours of video and fully preserve the video evidence. In addition, JC450 Pro has rich serial ports including 2 SOS, 2 RS-232 and 2 digital inputs. Through this interface, various sensors can be connected such as temperature sensors which can be used to detect the temperature change in the temperature tag of the cold chain transport vehicle and fuel sensor which can be used to detect whether the vehicle fuel tank leaks or steel oil, etc. Another channel of CVBS can be connected to an external display screen if multiple cameras are required to be installed outside the car, it will help the driver to view the surrounding environment of the car, help the driver to accurately estimate the situation of the blind spot and effectively avoid collision caused by visual blind spots. That's all for JC450 Pro now. In addition, Jimi has also launched in-depth customization services for all cooperative customers, OEM, ODM and other hardware customization services, web services, API, IoT Hub, Android SDK, iOS SDK and other software customization services. If you want to know more about Jimi's product, please visit our official website or call the consultation hotline. Thank you.